Welcome to our website entitled ESL Students and Technology in 2015, created by Daisy, Jenny, and Rachel for IT 546. All three of us have a background working with diverse populations, so we were interested in creating a project involving ESL students and technology. Our website, you can see these tabs on the top page: Home, About, the Survey, Technology and ESL, Survey Results, Graphic Survey Results, Infographic, and then on the More tab, you'll see English Language, Learning Implications, and Resources. So if we scroll down, you'll see a little blurb explaining our rationale for doing this project, and then these tabs here, Survey, Infographic, Survey Results, Graphic Survey Results, and English Learning Language Implications, all connect back up to these tabs that I just showed you on top. We decided to do this for easier navigation. If you keep scrolling down to the bottom of our homepage, we have some resources for ESL students and instructors. The app icons on the left-hand side are all intended for ESL students, and the article links on the right-hand side are intended for the instructors.
So on this page, as we noted, you can see our rationale for the project that we chose. We all have experience working with English language learners and felt that technology can be very beneficial in the ESL classroom. So we wanted to survey some students and find out what their perspectives on technology were and try to tie that into a reasonable project idea. So as we mentioned, we have a variety of tabs at the top here, and the first one is About, and if you click on About, you get a little story about each of our backgrounds, which tells you a little bit more about our English language learning or English language learner connections. If you go over here to Survey, Technology, and ESL, you can read the questions that we found were relevant to our students. So you get here and it just kind of describes what our purpose with the survey was, and then you can go to the survey by clicking that link, and it goes down. So many questions here. Similarly, go back over to the website. Survey Results is designed similarly on this tab, so same thing. Click on there and another page will open to show you the spreadsheet with the questions and the responses that came with them. And we then put it into graphic results format, which is a lot easier to read than the spreadsheet. So each of our questions is described right here in a chart, as well as with some written information on it. And back to the website. Infographic. Again, click on that. And you can explore what we found. We represented some of the information that we found in our survey in a more graphic format here. That's another one of our charts we came up with. Under the More tab, we're going to tell you about this in a minute, but this just kind of tells you our what our findings were and some of the research that we used to merge with the survey results that the students gave us.
On this page, Implications for English Language Learning, you'll see our future implications and suggestions. Our future implications suggest that that many resources already exist for English language learners, including Mango, which is a resource through the public library, Rosetta Stone, Webster's Dictionary, various YouTube channels, and many, many more, and there's continuing to be more resources. Our survey results suggest that students are already using technology to help them learn English, and although they are often intimidated by the technology available to them, they do have a desire to be more familiar with it. Fullen suggests that the potential integration of technology, pedagogy, and change knowledge can be designed to create learning experiences that operate to produce high natural yields in what is learned. Barra and Green discuss the benefits of computer engagement in the ESL classroom. They reinforce the importance of constant participation in language activities, for example, by using computer resources in order to simplify the text while keeping topics relevant. Fullen expands on the concept of technology integration, connecting it to Robinson's idea of teacher as a change agent or mentors. These agents play 4 critical roles in students' learning, including recognizing, encouraging, facilitating, and stretching. In doing so, as Robinson notes, creativity loves collaboration and creativity thrives on diversity. More could be done on the part of the instructors to familiarize students with the academic resources available in our ever-expanding virtual world, while linking learning to students' areas of interest. Further suggestions based on our research and findings, and along with our own experiences, we suggest designing an IT program or course specifically for ESL students. This course would be similar to the IT class that we are taking for the Master's in Adult and Higher Education program. However, it would be designed specifically for ESL students, where they would learn not only specific programs aimed at learning English, but also how to use the internet, computer, and smartphone to their advantage, and they would be equipped with the tools that they could learn these things on their own after the course. We also would love the idea to have technology embedded into ESL teacher prep programs. It could be, an added certificate program to the ESL training, and also ongoing teacher training. I think that we could benefit as teachers, but specifically ESL teachers could benefit by having annual retreats where we go over and are introduced to different technologies and through workshopping. It also relates to the idea of universal design and technology in order to keep up with constantly changing materials and skills, and to design classrooms and teaching strategies that benefit all students and not just the average. Thank you for watching our screencast. Please be sure to check out our website for further information and more details about this wonderful project that the 3 of us are very passionate about. Thank you so much. Is it still recording?